Hello dear viewers, hope you are well. Welcome to my channel Health is Beauty. Today I will make creamy vanilla fruit custard which is so yummy, delicious and mouth-watering. It is very simple to make, just do not overcook. It is only 15 minutes recipe. Let's see the ingredients of making creamy custard. Boiled milk 3 cup, custard powder 4 tablespoons, vanilla essence 1 tablespoon, condensed milk 1 can, fresh cream 3 tablespoons. Let's start preparation. Mix custard powder with normal boiled milk. Mix well. Place a pot over medium heat. Add 3 cups boiled milk. Milk has started boiling. Now add condensed milk. Add custard powder to the boiled milk. Now mix well everything continuously to avoid forming any lumps. Add vanilla essence. Mix well. See the texture, it becomes thickened. My creamy vanilla custard is ready. Now switch off the flame. Let it cool for 10 minutes. There are limitless uses for a good custard. You can turn any food into the delicious dessert. In this creamy custard, I am adding lot of fruits as per my taste. Let's see the fruits. Banana 1 cup, chopped green apple 1 cup, green grapes 1 cup, red grapes 1 cup, pomegranate 1 cup, red apple 1 cup. After 10 minutes, add banana with chilled custard, green apple, red apple, red grapes, green grapes, pomegranate. Add fresh cream. Now mix everything very well. Now transfer fruit custard in a bowl. Decorate with orange jelly. It is totally optional. Place strawberry, blueberries, Place pista nuts. Pomegranate. You can serve in a glass. Decorate with orange jelly. Pomegranate. Place strawberry, blueberries, in the same process, I have decorated another glass. Now my creamy vanilla fruit custard is ready. It is the time to taste. It is one of the best creamy vanilla fruit custard recipe you will ever eat. Once you taste this custard, there is no going back. Give anyone a spoon, definitely he or she will finish the entire bowl. Hope you enjoy my recipe. Now enjoy this creamy dessert with your family and friends. If you have any question regarding this recipe, you can ask me. I will reply. Please put your valuable comments in my comment box. Your comments always inspire me. Thank you for being with me and watching my YouTube channel Health is Beauty.